everybody.
Hello.
We like to welcome you to our YouTube channel. We are your hosts, Arne and Carlos, and we want to wish you a Happy New Year. It's the beginning of January.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. We hope you've had a lovely holiday. We have been at home, relaxing.
And painting the dollhouse.
Painting the dollhouse and taking it real easy for about 10 days. So we are ready to work and show you what we've done here with our dollhouse.
So let's take a closer look at the dollhouse. Because it's like almost finished. So we painted the 4 rooms in red, yellow, green and blue. We didn't have enough of the framework, so that's going to come later, but
yeah, we have to go shopping.
It's coming.
And we've started to decorate as well with all these little bits and bobs that we've collected and that we've made. There's some lovely things here gifted to us from fans. And I think that it's lovely to just build this dollhouse and, you know, find a nice place for them.
Yeah.
Shall we show them a few of the...
This is a gift. This we got from a nice woman in America last time.
We have a...
This is something we made. The pattern is in the Knit and Crochet Garden book. It's a little pillow.
This is lovely. We have a little bag. The motif is an embroidery from our Christmas ball book that a fan gave us. And inside,
the ball.
Another fan gave us balls. And look at the size of these. These are just tiny, tiny little balls that we have used to decorate the house for Christmas. And actually we have even smaller balls in here. Also a gift from another fan.
This is something we got in South Korea. This is...
The dolls.
This is Carlos.
Are the balls from South Korea as well?
The balls are from South Korea.
Yeah, those are actually felted.
This is a felted
Needle
ball.
Felted balls.
We had some knitted balls also, but I don't know where they're even smaller. We haven't collected all the stuff yet, so there's more stuff.
And then, as you can see, we've got the Christmas tree that we made for the dollhouse that we did a video of, and you can get that pattern if you go to our website at arnecarlos.com. What else have we done, Arne?
We found this in Hong Kong, so you can have your afternoon tea in the dollhouse. This is very nice.
Yeah. Here we have a little patchwork rug, also a gift from another fan. It's lovely, isn't it?
It's beautiful.
The crystal chandelier on the roof is something I really like.
This is for the Christmas tree, but it's a little bit big.
Yeah, I think we got this from a friend, right? As a gift.
And we have this.
Electrical lights.
Electrical light.
And just after Christmas, we received another gift from our lovely friend in Denmark, Mette DJ. She really does know how to make gifts that we like.
And this one is very nice in the kitchen.
Yeah, she said that Magnus, because this is Magnus' dollhouse, and she said that Magnus needed a book in the kitchen, and this is a guide for Magnus to learn how to survive without cheese.
And when I opened the book, I almost, what'd you say? Pissa på me.
Oh, you peed your pants.
I peed my pants. It was so funny.
Yeah, and
because
I didn't understand
take a close look at this one. This is so good. How to survive without cheese. That's so funny.
Well, I really didn't understand it. Arne had to explain it 3 times before I got it. But I'm known for my very dry sense of humor, so... But anyway, it's fun. Now I understand it.
Yeah.
The mouse ate the pages because he didn't have cheese. Ha ha ha.
And we also put the Easter embroidery that we made on tutorial. That's now in the yellow room. So this is kind of the Easter room. And Magnus is still naked. So we have to make a sweater for Magnus.
Yes, that's going to be coming up this year. Yeah, so basically a cupboard that we have slowly, well, not we, that Arne has slowly been transforming into a dollhouse. If you're wondering about the paints, these are little sample pots. Usually you go to the hardware store and you can buy, you know, small sample pots. They're less expensive than buying a whole a whole can of paint. And you know, with these little sample pots, there's supposedly enough to paint rooms in a small dollhouse like this.
Yeah. And I guess there are probably we're going to make 2 dollhouses more.
Yeah.
Because we need one for the knitted dolls, because the dolls are a little bit bigger. And then we have this tiny dollhouse furniture, so we have to make a house for the tiny furniture.
Yeah.
So I don't know where we put all these houses.
Well, we'll see. And then we've got the basement down here. The drawers are the basement. And we have had a discussion about this, and we decided that they are going to remain unpainted. Because, you know, you go down to the basement, and it's usually more simple, the decor. Usually there is no decor down in the basement.
This is the basement.
So that's the basement, and it's going to remain that way. And I think that, you know, I mean, we're in early January, and usually in Norway, you get rid of Christmas in early January. I think today is a great day to just throw out the Christmas tree. Well,
Or put it in the basement.
yes, our particular Christmas tree is going to go down in the basement.
So take it out.
So I'll do the honor and take it out.
So we hide it in the basement.
Yeah, and I think that
Till next year.
the little Christmas ornaments should go to the basement as well.
Yeah. Christmas is over.
So Christmas is over.
That's it.
And yes, so this was a little update on the dollhouse.
And
We
now
hope you've enjoyed it.
I think we should close the door because Freya sees the teddy bears and she wants them.
Yeah, she thinks that they are her teddy bears, but
And
she
they're
has her
not.
own.
They live in the house.
So
Voila.
voila, the dollhouse. I hope you've enjoyed this this video. Thank you so much for watching.
Maybe we are a little bit crazy.
We are totally crazy, but in a
Little
good
bit
way.
too old to play with dollhouse.
No, you're never too old for dollhouses.
Okay.
Anyway, thanks for watching. If you like what you see, please subscribe. We've been doing this a couple of years now. There's like over 100 tutorials that you can enjoy, and everything's available on our website as well at arnecarlos.com. So until next time, thank you and goodbye.
Bye.